circle dates on borrowed time. Coffee cups grew cold as they wouldn't sleep, laughing at the rain that tried to interfere. Every promise folded carefully. Measured words, measured space, measured dreams. Every choice aligned like city lights. I learned your silences, your subtle signs. How love moves when it's built to last. I step back, let the moment breathe. Hands unseen, still guiding gently. This is your day, drawn in real colors. Every step lands where it's meant to be. I've traced the lines, erased the doubts. Now it's your turn to simply be. I'm standing close but out of sight, watching love arrive on time. Final checks, the quiet before the sound. Heartbeat sinking with the room. What we planned is now unfolding, like a song that finally blooms. No revisions, no reruns now. Just trust the flow. You already know this is your day. Nothing borrowed. Every glance says we're ready now. All the hours, all the care turned into air. You're breathing out. I won't lead, I won't decide. I just believe you'll fly. The air may turn a little unscripted. Voices shake, the timing bends. Those aren't flaws in the design. That's love learning how to expand. This is your day, alive and moving. Every sound feels honestly true. I held the frame, you paint the rest. That's all I ever meant to do. From here on out, it's all yours. Every open door, this is your day. Keep it shining, carry it beyond these walls. I'll stay behind the scenes you leave, cheering every time you call. Not goodbye, just letting go, to watch your forever glow. You don't have to say a word tonight. I can hear you in the quiet space. Every breath you're trying to hold is already enough for me. Your hands are tired, I can tell from the way you hide them away. But even shadows know they don't have to stay. You've been walking slower than before, counting steps instead of dreams. Still the ground remembers you, every place you've been. If the answers don't arrive and the air feels a little thin, I'll be right here, letting you breathe again. You don't need to be stronger now. You don't need to be brave. Just let your heart lean gently. This is a safe place. I'm still here, right beside you. Nothing you feel is too much. Even the silence between us is holding us up. If you lose the words you meant to say, if the light feels far away, I'm still here. That's enough today. Time moves softly when you rest, like a song without a rush. All the things you couldn't fix don't matter so much. till the hurt is done. I'm still here, staying with you through the unsure and the still. Every piece you're trying to gather is already real. You don't have to reach the end, you don't have to change today. I'm still here, and that's okay.